Now we move to France, where an early summer heat wave is having alarming effects in the Alps. Glaciers are retreating, snow is melting weeks ahead of schedule, and mountain shelters are now facing water shortages. And this comes right when the hiking season begins. Here's a report for more.
At the Cell Refuge, a remote mountain chalet perched nearly 2,700 meters high in the Écrins range, the usual source of water, melting snow, has all but dried up.
It's inevitably an emblematic case, especially since this glacier, at the end of the Little Ice Age, blocked the Chamonix Valley and was really at the bottom of the valley. Many people in the 1980s and 1990s saw it very low down the valley. Now we are finally witnessing this retreat, and it has become somewhat symbolic of what is happening to other glaciers.
With no water tank and no rain in sight, the refuge has resorted to a temporary pipeline stretching a kilometer across unstable ground to tap a nearby glacier. It's a risky fix and one that may not hold.
The Bossons Glacier was a poor indicator of the state of glaciers because it still looked quite white, was advancing and not losing much. But now we realize, much like the other glaciers, that it's retreating rapidly and following a similar pattern. So in Chamonix, the effects of climate change are very marked and striking.
Similar conditions are being reported across the French and Swiss Alps. In Switzerland, officials say snow and ice reserves have melted 5 to 6 weeks earlier than normal. One visible example is the Bossons Glacier above Chamonix. A patch of gravel on the ice is expanding, absorbing heat and speeding up the melt. The glacier's retreat is so stark, it's visible daily from the valley below. Scientists warn the Alps are warming nearly twice as fast as the global average, and many of these glaciers could disappear entirely by century's end. A dramatic shift in one of Europe's most iconic landscapes, and a growing sign of climate change in motion.